We're going to continue talking about matrix multiplication, and specifically what we're going to talk about is how we multiply a row by a column. And the row always comes first, so in general we'll have a row with different columns, and then we'll have a column with different rows. And the way this is defined, so this is a 3 by 1, no, 1 by 1 row by 3 columns and 3 rows by 1 column. So the result is going to be a 1 by 1 matrix. And specifically what we do is we take the first entry, the first column and the first row, and we times those together, so A times D. And then we add to that the second ones, B times E. And then we add to that the third ones, which is C times F. And this can be extended even further. Suppose we had a B, C, D and an E, F, G, H, and we are multiplying these together. Well, here we'll just take the first ones, A times E plus B times F plus C times G plus D times H. So every column and row pair gets an entry. So this is a 1 by 4 times a 4 by 1. It still ended up as a 1 by 1, but notice the 4 told us how many pieces there were going to be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, 1 by 3, 3 by 3. This 3 said there were 1, 2, 3. So the number that matches tells you how many terms you're going to be adding together. So let's look at a simple example. Suppose I have the row 1, 3, 5, and I'm going to multiply that by the column matrix 2, 3, 7. Well, this comes from the first ones, 1 times 2 plus 3 times 3 plus 5 times 7. Well, that's 2 plus 9 plus 35, so my 1 by 1 matrix, this is all inside of a 1 by 1 matrix, is equal to 2 plus 9 is 11 plus 35 is 46. So that's how we do this problem. We could also look at a 1 by 4 and a 4 by 1. So if we have 2, 0, 1, minus 2, times 3, 1, minus 1, 4, we're going to get 4 things. We're going to get 2 and 3. I should put an equal here in the brace, plus 0 times 1, plus 1 times minus 1, plus minus 2 times 4, and that ends it. So now we just have to multiply. That gives me 6 plus 0 plus a minus 1 plus a minus 8. Well, 6 minus 1 is 5, and 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So here's my resulting 1 by 1 matrix. But this is key because the way we do this row column thing will determine how we do anything bigger than a row times a column. So make sure you understand how to do a row times a column.